Right. Happy days. So here's a look. Here's a little look at the bargain of the week. It's a Mansfield HP 45H, hand propelled. I'm presuming the 45H means the Honda engine or something like that. And as you can see, it's got the Honda GVC 160 on it, auto choke. Guy said it runs and needs a service. It's got a bit of a hole in the wheel there. It's obviously been used because the wheels are looking worse for wear. But this is how the guy's been starting it. If you can see that very well. This is manoeuvre you to a better position. You probably can't see very well there you are. Let's try it there. So basically, yeah, the pull cord is going over the handle knob through there. It's basically worn a groove into the handle knob, and that's how he's been starting it. So it says it runs, needs a service. I did notice when I was taking it out of the car that the long spring that goes on top of the carburetor is not on. It's not attached, so that might explain why it's not doing very well. That's not too bad, is it? It's pretty clean. It's pretty clean in there as well. So it looks like it's semi been looked after. But this was a £10 bargain, so let's see if we can set you up and we'll have a go at we're gonna have two little bets here. Right, take 37 because the camera seems to be jumping out. Okay, we're gonna have two little bets here. I'm gonna bet it's gonna start up on, I'm gonna go first or second pull. I'm gonna go probably second pull. And what's happened to that? Yeah, something's not quite right there, is there? The spring is here. I'm not quite sure that's right, is it? That spring's obviously not attached to something, or it's not in the right place. We'll have a look at that anyway. But anyway, let's just try and see if it'll run. I'm going to say second pull, and I guarantee you right now that this blade is off the pins. Guarantee it. Let's have a go. Yep, off its pins. Let's just turn the petrol off. Completely off its pins. It hasn't been cleaned out under here for a while, so it needs addressing. But overall, £10 for a Honda. Oh, I'll buy them all day, every day. We'll sort this spring out where it's supposed to go. Give it a clean up. I might even keep this, I'm not sure. I'm seeming to go for Hondas at the minute, so we'll have a look and see. Anyway, bargain of the week, £10, happy days.